Hello everyone and welcome again to Science Learner. Heading forward in the topic of trigonometry, today we are going to study the chart which deals about some specific angles and their trigonometric ratios. These are some popular angles which we will be using in our calculations. So let's see these angles. These angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The ratios which are important are sine, cosine, tangent, and the rest three ratios will be done by you after learning these three ratios, and I will give you the hint how to calculate those ratios. So here is the shortcut that how can you prepare the whole trigonometric chart if you forgot it during the examination. Let's see. As we all know, the angles are starting from 0 degree, so let's start the counting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Since the counting has gone till 4, so we will divide all the variables till 4, all the numbers till 4 by 4. This is 4, 4, 4 and 4 and again in the last 4. Now you have to divide all the fractions, you have to take root of all the fractions. By root, by root, by root, root, and here is another root. Now this is the value of sine of all the angles. Let's see how. 0 by 4, 0. 1 by 4, square root of 1 is 1 and for 4 it is 2. So the value is sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. This will become 1 by 2 after reduction into the simplest form. So this will be under root 1 by 2, square root of 1 will be 1 and square root of 2 will be root 2. Similarly this will be root 3 and square root of 4 is 2. 4 by 4 will be 1 and square root of 1 is 1. Now there is a very interesting pattern that sine and cosine have a diagonal relationship. So taking advantage of that, we will be interchanging the values from this corner to that corner. For your convenience, I am marking this line that sine and cosine have diagonal relationship. So 1 will be coming here, root 3 by 2. This will go down simply, 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 will go in this end, and to the leftmost end we will have 0. So always remember sine and cosine have diagonal relationship. Now tan theta. As we all know that tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. So if we divide the value of sine with the value of cosine, we will get tangent theta. So let's see. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will give you 1. Sorry for the interruption. Actually, there was some technical issue, so I have changed the mobile. So continuing with that, 0 by 1, 0, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will give you 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, same thing, divided by same thing is equals to 1, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 will give you root 3 and 1 by 0 as we all know is infinity. But how to calculate rest of the ratios, that is cosec, sec and cot? You simply reverse the value, take their reciprocal, and that will give you the value of other t ratios for different angles. For example, if I have to take out cosec 30 degree, then I will do the take the reciprocal of 1 by sine 30 degree. So if sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, then cosec 30 will be 2 by 1. Let's say I have to take sec of 60 degree, then sec of 60 degree will be reverse of cos 60 degree. So 1 by cos 60 degree reverse as sec 60 degree. Similarly, you can find all the other t ratios for all the 5 angles by taking the reciprocal. I want you all to complete the chart using the same method and send it to me. Thank you.